Think about this. Do you have a life you need to take a vacation from? Many people are using the weekends trying to escape from the life they have. Instead, use the weekends to build the life you want. Most people's lives are running in loops. It's more or less the same they say, do, and think. Over the year and over the years, with incremental improvements, of course. It can be really difficult to change a habit, improve your relationship, or grow your business beyond yourself and your mindset. So if you're stuck and want to break free, then here follows an explanation on paradigms, a free coaching exercise, and a gift. Manifestation is about mindset, so if you don't succeed with change, it's because of the paradigm. Most of the time it runs your life and results. To get change or success, you gotta shift the paradigm. And to break free, you have to master your mind. It's my purpose to help you and your business with that. We don't have a second to waste. You're paying for life with life, so here's a free exercise and a gift. Start the weekend with a visualization. Take half an hour tonight, Friday night. Put on some soft, nice and dreamy music. Sit in a comfortable chair and start dreaming of your new life. Take some notes afterwards. Then invest 1 hour tomorrow and again on Sunday, where you elaborate on your ideas, actions and plans. Take some colors, post-its, and make it creative. If you feel ready on Sunday, start making a vision board. Post it in a chat. Stay connected, and thanks for your engagement. Contact us for a free talk. It costs you nothing and change your life. If you tell us what you want, we will show you how to get it. We simply have the system that works, and success is not a secret, it's a system. My name is Kasper Larsen. I'm here to help you get full spectrum success, prosperity, and a fulfilling life. Personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. Call us now if you want to know how.